Okay, so this game is called My Turn, Your Turn. When it is my turn, I will name and touch two body parts. Then I'll say your turn, and you will name and touch two body parts. The one rule is you must wait until I say your turn, okay? So that's the one rule, that you can't move until I say your turn, okay? All right, so let's try this. My turn, head, hips. And your turn.
Head, hips.
Good, okay. Now, my turn, shoulders, knees.
Shoulders, knees.
Oops, remember I have to say your turn before you can do the movements, okay? All right, so let's try it again. My turn, toes and head. Your turn.
My turn. Shoulders and head.
Okay, so you don't even have to say my turn or your turn. You're just going to touch your body parts and say the body part that you're touching, okay? All right, so let's try it again. My turn, hips and elbows. Now your turn.
Hips, elbows.
Good, okay. Let's do another one. My turn, ears and forehead. Now your turn.
Ears, forehead.
Good. So that can be really hard to wait until I say your turn. So what skills did you guys use to be successful at that game? Moses.
Telling myself not to wait, to wait until she says our turn.
Okay, good. So you use that self-talk thing where you kind of say it in your head. Anyone else?
And my heart.
In your heart, huh? Wow. Anyone else? Natalie.
I focus my attention.
Good.